Be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. This way, you won't miss out on videos that enhance your cloud computing skills. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top cloud computing projects for complete beginners. If you're starting your journey and want to create a robust portfolio, this guide will introduce you to practical projects that can help you stand out. Stick with me until the end, as each project builds upon the last, guiding you from beginner to advanced gradually. Top 10 Cloud Computing Projects. This video is organized into 3 skill levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Beginner level projects. Project 1, Cloud-based file storage system. For this project, you will create a basic file storage system like Dropbox or Google Drive. Users will be able to upload, download, and manage files in the cloud. Steps to build it. First, select a cloud provider such as AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, or Azure Blob Storage. Set up an account and create a storage bucket. Build a web interface utilizing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Integrate file upload and download features with APIs or SDKs. Add user authentication via Firebase or a custom solution. Test the system and deploy it in the cloud. What you will learn: fundamentals of cloud storage, file management, and user authentication. Project 2, Website hosting on the cloud. This project aims to host a website accessible worldwide. Steps to build it: choose a cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Create your website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Purchase a domain name through services like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Set up DNS to link your domain with your server. Create a virtual server utilizing AWS EC2 or Azure VM. Install a web server like Apache or Nginx. Upload your website files. What you will learn: web hosting, deployment, domain management, and site availability. Project 3, Cloud-based calculator. Create a simple online calculator and deploy it. Steps to build it: select a cloud platform such as Heroku, AWS, or Azure. Design a calculator with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Set up your development environment. Utilize Git for version control. Deploy the application to the cloud. Test its functionality. What you will learn: deployment processes, server-client interactions, and development workflows. Intermediate level projects. Project 4, IoT data analytics system. Develop a system that gathers and analyzes data from smart devices. Steps to build it: set up IoT devices or sensors. Store collected data in cloud databases like DynamoDB or Azure Cosmos DB. Send data to the cloud using code. Analyze data through scripts or tools. Visualize insights with dashboards. Implement monitoring and scaling capabilities. What you will learn: integration of IoT, cloud databases, and data analytics. Project 5, Video streaming platform. Create a platform for users to upload and stream videos. Steps to build it: utilize cloud storage like AWS S3. Encode videos using services like Elastic Transcoder. Deliver content via a CDN, such as CloudFront. Add user authentication. Enable video uploading and streaming functionality. Test performance and scalability. What you will learn: video processing, content delivery networks, and scaling techniques. Project 6, Cloud-based e-commerce website. Build a fully functional online store. Steps to build it: choose your preferred cloud platform. Utilize a framework like Shopify, WooCommerce, or create your own. Add product listings to your site. Implement a shopping cart feature. Integrate payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal. Include user authentication. Test security measures and transactions. What you will learn: creating scalable applications, securing payments, and managing users. Advanced level projects. Project 7, Machine learning in the cloud. Build and deploy machine learning models at scale. Steps to build it: create a model using TensorFlow or scikit-learn. Prepare and clean your dataset for analysis. Leverage cloud services like AWS SageMaker or Google AI Platform. Deploy the machine learning model. Ensure it scales for real-time predictions. What you will learn: machine learning deployment and cloud-based data processing. Project 8, Cloud Virtual Desktop. Build a system for remote desktop access. Steps to build it: choose a service like Amazon Workspaces or Azure Virtual Desktop. Configure desktop environments for users. Manage user access. Establish security protocols. Set access controls as needed. Test the system across various devices. What you will learn: virtualization techniques, remote system management, and security principles. Project 9, Cloud Gaming Platform. Create a cloud-based gaming platform like modern streaming services. Steps to build it: select a cloud infrastructure such as AWS or Azure. Set up dedicated game servers. Incorporate low-latency streaming capabilities. Add multiplayer functionalities. Manage user access effectively. Use load balancing to ensure performance. What you will learn: real-time systems, server management, and networking basics. Project 10, Healthcare Data Management System. Create a secure solution for managing healthcare data. Steps to build it: adhere to compliance standards like HIPAA. Select a secure cloud platform. Store patient data securely. Use encryption and implement access controls. Maintain audit logs for accountability. Train users on proper data management practices. What you will learn: cloud security practices, data privacy considerations, and compliance standards. Final thoughts: these projects lay a clear pathway from beginner to advanced skills. Completing them will provide you with hands-on experience, a robust portfolio, and skills that apply directly to real-world cloud computing careers. Outro: if you have any questions or believe we overlooked an important project, please leave a comment below for assistance. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, building, and remain consistent. Subscribe to our channel for more content, and check out the next video to continue your cloud computing journey.